Hi, Debi Sementelli here. Just doing a quick demo of the Pentel color brush. That's one of my favorite brushes. It comes with an ink barrel, and you just squeeze the barrel and the ink comes down through, if you can see that, kind of comes down through there, and then obviously onto the brush and sometimes onto the paper. So what I love about this brush is the spring in that tip and the fact that you can get really nice thicks and thins. So I'll just give you a little demo. Still got a little bit of a dry spot there. And then once the ink barrel is gone, and it takes a while for it to be gone, what I do is I take the empty ink barrel and I wash it out really, really good. And then I replace this red ring so that it keeps any of the residue that might be in the ink barrel out when you're lettering. And then you have this really nice brush that you can letter with. And I like to use gouache paint. This is my little palette of gouache paint. I just add water and so you get that nice and loaded up there. And then you've got that really nice brush to use with the gouache paint. And it is by far one of my favorite brushes. Because it's just got a great tip and it lasts a really long time. And you can get refills if you like. But I just use it as a regular brush. So that's the Pentel color brush, one of my favorite brushes. This is Debi Sementelli. Hope you enjoyed this demo.